Hi, everyone. Welcome back to English Flow Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Ryan. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling calm, a little slow, but peaceful. What about you?
Pretty good. A bit tired, maybe a bit hungry, but relaxed. And if you're listening right now, maybe you're walking, cooking, or just resting somewhere quiet. We're happy you're here with us.
Yeah, and this little check-in we always do. How are you feeling? What kind of day is it? This is already a tiny piece of today's topic.
Right, because today we're talking about small talk, the soft, friendly conversations we use in everyday life.
Little moments, tiny questions, small connections.
And hey, if you enjoy this gentle style, you can subscribe. Only if you want to. No pressure at all. So, small talk. To be honest, it used to make me nervous. I never knew what to say.
That's very normal. Small talk often looks simple, but in our heads, it can feel like a test.
Yes, I would think things like, what do I say next? Do I sound strange? Am I too quiet?
Everyone thinks that. But the truth is, small talk is not about deep ideas. It's not about being clever or interesting. It's just a tiny bridge, a small, warm moment between two people.
A tiny bridge. I like that.
Think about places like an elevator, a bus stop, a waiting room. You don't want a big conversation. You just want something soft.
Something like, I see you, you see me, we share a small moment.
Exactly. And that moment can be only 5 seconds.
So, small talk doesn't need big meaning.
No, the meaning comes from the feeling, from the friendliness, from showing someone you're open and calm.
That feels lighter already.
And the best part? Simple English is perfect for small talk. Short sentences, warm tone, nothing difficult.
Okay, so if small talk is simple, how do we actually start?
There are a few very easy ways. Soft little openers you can use almost anywhere, and they don't need perfect grammar. For example, you can look at someone and say, "Hey, how's your day going?" It's friendly, but not too personal. A good, gentle start.
Hmm. Hey, how's your day going? Yeah, that sounds natural.
Another one I really like is, "Busy morning?" It's tiny, only 2 words, and still very real.
Busy morning? Yeah, that actually feels easy to say. And you can change it too, right?
Yes, you can say, "Busy day," "busy evening." Same pattern, many situations.
That's smart. Just one structure, many options.
And of course, there's the classic, "How are you?" Simple, safe, always okay.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes the old ones really do work best.
Yeah, so for anyone listening, you don't need 10 sentences. Just choose one that feels comfortable. Maybe "busy day" or "how's your day going?"
One soft sentence is enough to start a small talk moment. Okay, so we talked about how to start small talk. Now maybe we can look at what to talk about, right?
Mm-hmm. And the easiest topic ever is weather. Really, weather is the king of small talk.
Yeah, weather is safe. Nobody gets angry about weather.
Exactly. And the nice thing is, weather is something everyone can see, everyone can feel. You don't need special words. You don't need a big idea. Just a small comment.
Something like, oh, it's sunny today.
Yes. Or feels colder than yesterday. Very simple.
I heard it might rain later. I use that one a lot.
Yeah, that one works anywhere. In an elevator, on the street, in the office kitchen. Let's try a few gentle weather lines just in a natural way. Wow, it's really sunny today. Feels nicer than yesterday. I think it might rain later.
Those feel easy. Short, warm, soft.
And weather small talk doesn't need to go anywhere. It can be tiny. Watch this. Sunny today.
Yeah, feels good.
That's it. The whole thing can be 2 seconds.
I like that. No pressure to continue. Just a small human moment.
Exactly. So if you're listening, maybe choose a weather sentence you like. Just one. Keep it in your pocket. Use it when the moment feels right.
Another easy topic, weekends.
Yes. People love weekend talk because it's soft and warm, but not too personal. It's a safe topic. And it works every week. You always have a weekend coming or a weekend that just passed.
That's true. And weekend talk makes people smile. It's like, oh yeah, I have a life outside work.
Exactly. Here are a few very easy weekend questions. Any plans for the weekend? Doing anything fun? How was your weekend? Did you rest well?
Did you rest well feels really kind.
It is, and it doesn't force someone to share big stories. They can just say, yeah, I slept. Or, it was quiet.
That's perfect for shy speakers too.
Yes. Let's do a tiny weekend example, just a soft one. How was your weekend?
Pretty good. I just rested. How about you?
Same, a quiet weekend.
And stop. It doesn't need to continue.
Right. Small talk is not a long conversation. It's a short moment that feels friendly.
And I think everyone listening can use these questions. They're A1 level, but they feel natural.
Exactly. Simple English is real English. You don't need big words to make a small connection.
So maybe listeners can think now, which weekend question feels easy for you?
Maybe, any plans for the weekend? Or, how was your weekend? Choose the one that feels soft and comfortable.
So we've talked about weather and weekends. Another big small talk topic is work or study, right?
And people often get nervous about this one because at work, people speak fast. They use long words. And it feels like if I talk about work, my English must be perfect.
Yeah, my brain used to say, nope, too difficult, stay quiet.
I know that feeling. But work small talk doesn't need big vocabulary. It can be very, very small. Try things like, busy day? Work okay? Long day for you?
Oh, those are tiny. I can actually imagine saying those at the office or even on the bus.
Exactly. You don't need details. You don't need to explain your job. Just a soft little check-in.
And if someone asks me, I can say something like, yeah, a bit busy, or not too bad.
Yes, short answers are perfect. Simple English is natural English.
What about students? Maybe someone listening is not working yet.
Then you just use similar patterns. Big day at school? Lots of homework? Study okay?
Oh, study okay? That one is really cute.
Yeah, I like it too. Friendly and soft.
So, work or school, the key is the same.
Small questions, short answers. Nothing heavy.
Exactly. Small talk should feel easy, not like a job interview.
Okay, now we get to the scary part. What if my mind goes totally blank?
That happens to everyone, native speakers too. Sometimes you just don't have a next sentence.
Exactly. And then I panic.
That's where magic fillers come in. They're small reaction words that keep the connection warm without adding pressure. Try these. Oh, really? I see. That sounds nice. Oh, wow. And you?
And you. I love that one. It's like passing the ball back.
Yes, it's the easiest way to continue a conversation without thinking.
So if someone says, I had a busy weekend, I can just say, I see. And you?
Exactly. Soft, natural, human.
These are easy because they don't require new information. Just a little sound, a little reaction.
Yes, and reactions show you're listening. They make the moment feel warm.
Let's try a tiny example.
I watched a movie last night.
Oh, wow. That sounds nice.
See? That's enough. No long story needed.
I like magic fillers. They help me relax.
They help everyone relax. You can even practice them alone, quietly, softly, just to get the feeling in your mouth.
Okay, we started the talk, we kept it going, but now, how do we end it without being rude?
Yeah, many people worry about that. But ending small talk can be very gentle. Try these. Anyway, I won't keep you. Nice talking to you. Have a good one. See you around.
I love have a good one. It feels modern and warm.
Yes, perfect for everyday situations.
And anyway, I won't keep you. That one feels very polite.
It respects the other person's time, and your time too.
Let's do a tiny ending example.
Busy day?
Yeah, a little. You?
Same. Anyway, I won't keep you. Have a good one.
You too.
See? Soft, short, no pressure.
And not awkward at all.
Exactly. Small talk doesn't need a perfect ending, just a gentle one. Okay, now that we've talked about starters, weather, weekends, work, and endings, let's put everything together. A tiny scene. Something real. Something you might experience tomorrow.
Like a mini movie, but very calm.
Yes, a very slow, gentle movie. Let's imagine this. You walk into an office building. You step into the elevator. Someone you kind of know is already inside. Maybe a coworker, maybe a neighbor. You don't want a long talk. You just want something warm.
Okay, I can picture it.
Good. Let's do the full scene first, and then we'll look at the pieces. Morning. How's your day going?
Pretty good so far, a little busy. And you?
Yeah, good. Feels nice outside today.
Much better than yesterday. Yesterday was so cold.
True. Today feels lighter.
Any plans for the weekend?
Maybe just rest. Maybe coffee with a friend?
I think I need sleep.
Yeah, I know that feeling. Anyway, this is my floor. Nice talking to you. Have a good one.
You too. See you later. Wow, that actually felt really normal.
Right? Because small talk is not about clever lines. It's about simple lines said gently.
And if we look at the scene, it's just a few small things. A greeting, a weather moment,
a weekend question, and a soft ending.
Exactly. Tiny pieces. Nothing long, nothing difficult.
It really is like opening and closing a little window.
Mm-hmm. And if you're listening, you don't need to copy the whole scene. Just pick one part you like. Maybe the start. Morning. How's your day going? Or the weather piece. Feels nice outside today. Or the weekend question. Any plans for the weekend? Or even just the ending. Nice talking to you. Have a good one.
Just one piece is enough to make real small talk?
Yes, small talk is small. That's the beauty of it. We talked about a lot today, but all of it was small, soft English.
Yeah. Little starters like, how's your day going? Or, busy day?
Tiny weather lines. Sunny today. Feels colder than yesterday.
Weekend lines. Any plans for the weekend? Did you rest well?
Work small talk. Work okay? Long day for you?
Magic fillers. Oh, really? Oh, I see. That sounds nice. And you?
And gentle endings. Nice talking to you. Have a good one.
All simple, all real, all things you can use immediately.
And remember, you don't need to use everything today. Just choose one tiny piece. Keep it. Use it when the moment feels right.
Your English doesn't have to be perfect. Small talk isn't about perfect grammar. It's about connection, warmth, a small smile with sound.
And hey, if you enjoyed this calm episode, you can like the video or subscribe. Only if you want to. No pressure at all.
We're just happy you're here with us, speaking softly, learning gently.
What is one small talk sentence you feel comfortable using?
It can be very simple, like, how are you? Or, busy day? Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for spending this quiet time with us. Have a wonderful day or a peaceful evening, wherever you are.
Take care, and see you in the next episode.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.